Hello from me, Lazarus. Welcome to the next lesson in the series. Useful free programs for Windows. This time we will look at the fifth point, PDF-XChange Viewer. And we'll also show Editor, which they recommend should replace Viewer. And I'll also show you a free program that I didn't put on this list, PDF-24. We type PDF-XChange Viewer and find their website. And here you can download the program. I will choose from here to Bg Installer and press download. We download it. On the same site you can find their other program, PDF-XChange Editor, or an editor in Bulgarian. Now I won't download it, because it's very large, 344 megabytes. And, besides, some of its functions are paid, and this creates some confusion, in my opinion. I will now only show the regular one, which is the viewer for viewing. So, the other program that I'm going to present to you, this is PDF-24, by this company. This is the trademark. Actually, it's from a German company. It has it, look how they did it. Very interesting. Two main programs. This one is for desktop, this one is for online. Actually, it's almost the same program, but these are many tools for different tasks. Here are some online ones called PDF-24 Tools. If we click on All Tools, we'll show them all, many types. And the other one is already for stationary download. Here, we press download and download it to the desktop as well. Now almost everything that's in the one, which is for desktop work, is also in the other. Even in the online one, there are a few more features that aren't in the other. I've personally used it, for example, to remove metadata from a PDF file. Here's the PDF viewer. It installs like any other program. I'll leave it in English. There is no Bulgarian on it. Here I give next. I accept the agreement. I press next. I leave it as default. I leave it as default. And I leave it as it is. Now, here you have an option for an icon on the desktop, whether it should be in the PDF tool for opening PDF files, and whether it should be visible in the browser. I'm not going to put it in the browser. Now, there's a pro version option here and I choose the free version, and we click next. I wait until it installs. And I launch it. Here it asks me if I should make it the default. If I do, then no problem. So, here's what it is. Here, I've attached a PDF file. Let's open it. I give naturally with PDF-XChange. Here. This is the viewer. The options, so here are standard, there's an interesting option called Export to Images. You can export all pages as images. And this is for printing. If we click on it, we get the print window, where we have different options. Right now, I'm not going to print. Here are its other options. I honestly don't use them. It even says here, which ones are in the Pro version, because if you downloaded the second option. So, what can I say? I've been using this program for many years, very stable, it's never given me any problems and I'm very happy with it. I can say so. Let's see the second program. Okay, come on. Here I see that we have two options. That's it. Here we choose a language. We don't have Bulgarian. So I'm leaving English. By default, installing. Here, because I chose to be the default, it told me which components I could install additionally. Now at the moment, I will not install them. Here I leave it like this. Here are options, what exactly, whether to do it by default. I won't do that. Whether it's in the context menu. I won't do that either. And we hit install. I wait until it installs. So, the installation is complete. I click Finish. Here it thanks us for installing. And you see two icons next to it. One is, here is what it is. Actually, here are the tools. PDF Creator is like a program made. There it is. And here. He shows us the toolbox. There you go. So you can see how they're laid out here. There are a lot of tools, a lot of things. I won't go into too much detail right now. You'll learn them and you'll be able to use them in good health. God willing, we'll be alive and well. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.